Hello, my brothers and sisters. What's up? Today we will create this page transition. We will use before and after pseudos and play with CSS transition, etc. In HTML, we have in our homepage content as a container of our H1, which you can say the title of the page, and a link to our sub page. Now let's create a sub page. It has mostly the same content as the home page. We add to it the subpage class. Let's open this with the live server extension. Now, as you can see, we can move between our pages. In CSS, first we make our content build the screen. We add the typography styling of our H1 and our link. And here we add the display block to our link because we want to make our margin work vertically. Right, now let's add our transition. We want our sub page to start from translate 1% as you see. We add our before and after as separate layers on our sub page. And now in GS, when the window loaded, and we are in the sub page, add the animate sub page class to it. Alright. We add to our before and after 0.75 seconds transition and a custom cubic bezier function as you see, and we make sure to start the before and then after with 0.25 delays as you see here. Now after the before and after, it starts the sub page itself. and we make our before and after under h1 and the link with set index. Last but not least, we add sample animation to h1 and a of the subpage. So they go from opacity 0 and transform translate 50 pixels to opacity 1 and transform translate 0. Alright, and we get rid of this horizontal scroll by adding overflow hidden to our body. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.